Hey everyone, welcome back to Skilled Hub. In this article, we'll delve into the world of kitchen cabinets, focusing on the sleek and modern choice of stainless steel. We'll discuss their pros and cons and give you 5 compelling reasons why you should consider them for your kitchen. So, if you're into contemporary design and durability, stick around. Stainless steel kitchen cabinets may not be for everyone, but if you're aiming for a sophisticated and modern kitchen space, they could be the perfect fit. Let's kick things off by exploring the history of stainless steel cabinets. Stainless steel cabinets gained popularity in the 1930s and 1940s due to their affordability, easy maintenance, and versatility in color options. Originally used in industrial settings, they've now found their way into high-end domestic kitchens. Now you might be wondering, are stainless steel kitchen cabinets any good? While they offer a sleek design, they are prone to fingerprints and scratches. However, the good news is that stainless steel cleaners are readily available to keep them looking pristine. Besides being easy to clean, stainless steel is durable and sanitary, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like the kitchen. Plus, for environmentally conscious homeowners, stainless steel is a green product, being recyclable and non-toxic. This makes them a fantastic choice for outdoor kitchens as well. Now let's talk about the cost. Stainless steel is generally more expensive than wood. If you're on a budget, consider installing wood cabinets with metal doors and drawer fronts to achieve a similar look without breaking the bank. If you're concerned about stainless steel kitchens feeling cold, fear not. Combining stainless steel cabinets with warmer materials like wood, glass, or copper accents can create a visually appealing and unique kitchen design. Now that we've explored the aesthetic side, let's dive into the practical benefits of stainless steel cabinets for your kitchen. First up, stainless steel cabinets are built to withstand extreme heat and humidity, making them highly durable compared to wood-based options. Second, they offer a perfect fit with modular designs tailored to your space and specifications, ensuring consistency in cost and ease of installation. Third, stainless steel cabinets are not just about a monotonous grey look. They can be customized to suit your style with various fittings, hinges, and systems. Fourth, maintenance is a breeze. No need for delicate cleaning. A simple wash with a mild cleaning agent and a soft cloth will keep them shining. And finally, affordability. While the upfront cost may be higher, the quality and endurance of stainless steel cabinets make them a wise long-term investment. So there you have it. If your kitchen needs a modern makeover with durability in mind, stainless steel cabinets might be the solution. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Skilled Hub for more home improvement content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy cooking and remodeling.